A very warm good morning to all of you. Here we are the students of Pragyan Public School representing our science project of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. If I talk about my group mates, so the name are Chanchal, Charu Goyal, Deva Gola, Neeraj Chhokar, Nandini Agrawal and Tanvi Agrawal. Here are the table of content, the topic which we have covered in our project. The page you are seeing on the screen is our cover page that one of my group mates have made. Introduction of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India. It was created on 1 April 1937. Here are the fast facts about Uttar Pradesh. History of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh from the middle and upper Paleolithic dated to 21,000 to 31,000 years old and Mesolithic gathered settlement near Pratapgarh from around 10,550 to 9,550 BC. Uttar Pradesh has a humid subtropical climate. Summers are extreme with temperature fluctuating. The culture of UP is fabulous wealth of nature hills. It has the Now we will see the geographical condition and climate required for the paddy cultivation and the steps which are involved in paddy. Usually the process are same in all the state, but the differentiation is in the way and the tools which farmer use. There are several processes required for the paddy cultivation. The first one is preparation of land. Usually the land is prepared in UP by the tractor or hull. The second one is seed selection. In this, the farmer should be aware about the quality of seeds because our whole cultivation is depend on the seeds. The third process is sowing of seed and then transplanting of seedlings. As we all know that paddy is a most abundant requirement of water. So with water scarcity becoming a major issue in agriculture, already there are studies going on drip irrigation for paddy cultivation. Next step is manure and fertilizers. There are several kinds of manure and fertilizer which used for paddy cultivation. Next is harvesting. Harvesting on time is essential to avoid shedding of grains in rice farming. The later stage of grain ripening, a dehydration process and maturity is hastened when water is withdrawn from the field at the hardening stage of crop. And the last one is winnowing, through which we get our paddy. Introduction of Punjab. Punjab is a northern state in India. Punjab Kingdom fell to the troops of the British East India Company and subsequently became a province under British rule. Culture and food of Punjab. Punjab culture is colorful and extravagant. These are the attributes of the heartland of India. About Punjab food. Punjabi food is rich in flavors and spices with overflowing ghee on. Lassi is a refreshing drink here and is also known as the welcome drink. About Punjab dresses. The traditional dress of Punjab are very colorful and unique and vibrant. Women wear salwar kameez. These clothes are intricately designed and beautifully embroidered at homes. About Punjab dance. There are many folk music and dances which are highly popular in Punjab. As we all know, the most common is Bhangra. Language and religion. The official language of the state is Punjabi, which is also the local language. Now, paddy agriculture in Punjab. The process and steps are same which we have seen in UP, but the differentiation is in the way and tools which the Punjab farmer have used. The first one is preparation of land. In Punjab, preparation of land is usually done by the rotavator, and preparation of seed. Here the Punjab farmer used high quality seeds for cultivation. And the third one is sowing of seed. Sowing of seed is mainly done by the labor, but the transplanting of seed is done by the machines. And then growing of seedlings. After that, the harvesting. Harvesting is done by the machines, mainly cultivator. And last process through which we have get our paddy, that is winnowing. Here this is our model of UP and Punjab, in which we have differentiate about the processes. Paddy cultivation. The first process is land preparation. The second one is preparation of seed. The third one is sowing of seed, then growing of seedlings, then plant establishment, then harvesting, and finally by the process of winnowing we get our paddy. In UP you can see the differentiation in color of soil. It shows that the Punjab has high fertile soil, and you can see the area. Here the area of Punjab is higher than the UP. It shows that the production of paddy in Punjab is higher than the UP. Research work done by students. The first one is Tanvi Agrawal. She is researching about paddy agriculture in Punjab. The second one is Charu Goyal. She is searching about the art and culture crafts in UP and Punjab. The third one is Chanchal. She is preparing file of Uttar Pradesh. The fourth one is Deva Gola. He is searching about the paddy agriculture in UP. The fifth one is Neeraj Chonkar. He is researching about the paddy agriculture in Punjab. The sixth one is Nandhi Agrawal. She is preparing file of Punjab. By doing this project, we are able to understand the step involved in paddy production and the differentiation between both the states. I hope you liked it. Thank you.